Today I'm going to eat one exotic dish. Okay, அது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு சிப்பி கறி மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். I will tell you what exactly. Okay, I will show you that one. Okay, because that is a river or ocean. 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 Here they used to call UNNOK. ஓகே உன்னோக் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இதுவும் ஒரு சிப்பி வகையை சேர்ந்த ஒரு இதுதான். நான் இதில் காமிக்கிறேன், அதுக்கடுத்து நான் எடுத்து காமிக்கிறேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஐ வில் டேக் இட் வித் மை ஹேண்ட் அண்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ see here. See, focus. See, everything is moving. See here.
Touch it.
You show here, focus, so that everyone can see properly. See, something like a jelly, it is coming out of the shell. Everything is moving. Something also here also moving. Okay, I will take it.
I'm gonna off the fan.
There's too much smoke we are cooking.
Yeah. Hey, quickly catch. See the big one.
See here. உன்னோக் இதுதான் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பாருங்க, ஜெல்லி மாதிரி அந்த ஷெல். It's inside of the shell, it is coming. It is alive.
It's
alive.
still alive.
See?
You take it like this. So it's moving. Wait. Wait, don't.
See here. This one it's moving here. Here. See. The shells are moving. You can see, right? See, all the shells are moving. I take with the hand.
They will close it.
Yeah.
If you catch
if I take with this one means everything will close. See here. Now I put.
You put.
See now, you cannot see. Everything closed inside. Most of them. Because they're scared.
So.
Okay. So today we will cook this one, and I will show you what exactly the taste of. So, okay, guys. Thank you. Today the breakfast is here in Philippines. We have rice only. Most of the here always the breakfast will be rice. Okay, so I show you before what we are going to cook, that one, right? That is same like that shell only, but that is here they used to call us UNNOK, right? So I will show you how they cook. And see here, this is the one. Okay, very hot. See here, focus here first. This is just in the water they put and then boil only, and they mix with some ginger and also any vinegar, no, right? No, just they put some little bit salt only. Once they cook, see here, everything is so here, this is the UNNOK. But yesterday when we see, this is like a jelly one.
You put in your plate.
First I will taste the soup only. See here, the broth is very nice, watery but a little bit oily. It's a ginger feel taste, I can feel it. It's very tasty. You know, the meat flavor, the shell flavor, I can feel it. I'll put here. And also we have some chicken adobo. This one. This is the Filipinos traditional one. I will put some soup also here. And some ginger. Okay, ginger is good. First I will show you here. See here.
You take out this one, and all is easy for you to show.
See here, the shell. It's exactly, it is a follow. Sorry. See here, it's very tasty. The jelly taste is very nice. I will mix with this soup, and then I will make some this one. See here, I will mix this one. It's a very healthy one. This dish is no masala, no nothing, pure. The shell The inside, the meat taste is very tasty one, very like a jelly one. You can feel it, very soft. It's easily cooked, not too much. Few minutes only, it will easily cook.
See the adobo?
The adobo, see there, the chicken. They mix with the soy and some onion a little bit, and they mix some marinade and not marinade. They put some soy and then they will cook. Here, see here. The meat is nicely cooked. The soy taste is also very nice. See here. The meat is very soft only. See, very nice, tender, nice. Okay, my wife, she is also very hungry when I'm eating this one, so I should finish up first with this one. Okay, guys, I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and it's a very long time we have never put any video, so please support and subscribe and also comment. If you have anything to share, please share. We will try to cook that one for you. And also the people who never watch, not subscribed also, please subscribe and watch and support our YouTube, Twohungry Travelers, our channel name. Okay guys, thank you. God bless you.